As for Asia, and I guess just the global economy, we're not necessarily so bearish. We do think that already for the last 6 months, markets have been kind of operating in this zone of a strong dollar and higher yields. All the real economy has kind of already adjusted, whether it's mortgage rates throughout the world and so forth. They're already sort of pricing this sort of stuff in. I do think it, ratchets up the pressure a little bit more. But in the end, we're still leaning towards the view that we see enough resilience in the U.S. economy, the global economy, and especially in sort of, Southeast Asia. We see that growth is continuing pretty steadily. And the bottom line is, I think you're right to point out those are going to be additional pressures, but we're not necessarily overly bearish on it.
Got it. Tony, how are you approaching China, especially on a valuation basis?
Yeah, so the valuations of China look very attractive. I think, we spent the last year kind of being underweight China, and we've been looking for the opportunity to overweight. And we thought we were really close about a month ago when data was improving. It looked like the PMIs were bouncing back, and we were pretty much on the verge of going overweight China. We thought the housing issues were kind of getting behind them a little bit. But as we sit here now, the housing issues are still weighing on the economy and the markets, and the PMIs have turned back down. So for the most part, we're just neutral China right now. We've been looking for an opportunity to take advantage of those valuations, but we aren't really pressing the case very hard right now.